So when eating sushi, you want to use wasabi, and we will always try to make our own wasabi. So this is wasabi powder that you can find in a Japanese store. And most important thing to know is that when you make your own wasabi, you need to use sparkling water. So we're just going to add sparkling water. Just mix it up. Until it's like a paste. And while you do that, it could irritate your eyes a bit, so you need to watch out for that. And that's basically it. It's very easy to make yourself, and you won't have any added things in that, so it's pure. So you can try this yourself.